Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do this lower third in your OBS for your live production, for your online stream, your online class, and so on and so forth. I'll show you how to do this real quick. So the first thing you do is you go to your web browser and you search for OBS animated lower third. Now when it opens up, you click the first one under obsproject.com. Okay, this is an animated lower third with dockable control panels. Make sure to choose this one. Alright, so when it opens up, you go to the right hand side and you see your download. This is where you click to download your animated lower third. Now when it has finished downloading, what you do next is to click on open folder. So this is your animated lower third, but as you can see, it is a zip file. Alright, so what we need to do now is to extract this zip file. So you right click on it and then you go to WinRAR. Now take note, ordinarily you are supposed to click on extract here and it's going to extract on this particular folder, but if you extract it here, it is not going to work. So the way this works is you are going to extract it into the folder that your OBS was installed. Alright, so you do that by going to extract file instead. Click on it and then from here you come to this right hand side, then you click on your drive C. Okay, where your OBS was installed. Now by default, this is where your OBS is installed. Okay, so you click on this plus icon and then you are going to locate OBS folder inside of these program files. Okay, so the best way to do that is to click on the O on your keyboard and then it's going to locate your OBS folder for you. So when you select this OBS folder, the next thing is to click on OK. By doing so, it is going to extract this animated lower third inside of OBS folder. If it did not extract it inside this folder, it is not going to work. Take note of that. So I'll click on OK. So having done that, the next thing to do now is to open the OBS folder where the animated lower third was extracted. You go to drive C, you go to program files, then you locate your OBS folder. So this is the OBS folder. So when you open it, you are going to see your animated lower third right here. This is the only folder that concerns you inside of this very folder. Alright, so when you open it, you are going to see some folders and some icons, right? Now, what you are looking for is lower third and logos, okay? But this logos comes later. I will show you why. The first one you have to deal with is your lower third. So you open this and then you're going to see three files: browser source, control panel, and then lower third hotkey. Now this one doesn't concern you. You are using only these two. So the next thing to do now is to open this browser source file. Alright, it is a browser source. It is going to open up as a web browser. So when you double click it, it is going to open up in your web browser. But what you need from this place is simply this web address. That is all you need. Okay, so when you click on it, you are going to copy this web address. Alright, so I'll copy this and then you go to your OBS. Alright, so when you launch your OBS, since it is a browser source, what you do is you click on this add source under the sources panel. Alright, so I'll click on this and then you go to browser. You are going to browser because you copied a web address. Alright, now in all of these sources, the only place to impute a web address is a browser. So you click on this and then you can rename it to whatever you want to name it. Let me just call this lower third. Okay, so I'll click on OK. And then in this URL section, this is where you're going to paste the URL you just copied. Okay, so this one that is here, you will have to delete it because it is completely useless. Alright, so when you delete that, you are going to paste the one you copied earlier. So I will paste it. So when you paste it, you find out that this square is up already. Inside this box is where your animated lower third is going to be displaying, but you don't want it to be this size. So what we do is we change the size to a full size resolution. Alright, so you change this one to 1920. Now I usually change this to 400. Okay, so you click on OK, and then you see the size we just changed. Now this red box is where your lower third is going to show up. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to bring it down because you want your lower third to be displaying at the bottom of your screen instead of the top. Alright, it depends on your preference, but I'll bring it down. So the next thing to do now is to go to the same folder and then we are going to open the control panel. So you double click on this, it is going to open up a web browser as well. Okay, as you can see, this is your lower third control panel, but this was designed with an HTML file. That is why it is displaying like this. Alright, now the only thing you need from here is still this web address. So you copy it and then you go to your OBS. Now in your OBS, you go to docs. Alright, click on docs, then you go to custom browser docs. Okay, any plugin you are bringing into OBS, it is always under your docs. Alright, so you click on this and then you can decide to name it also. I will call it lower third. And then under the URL is where you're going to paste the URL you just copied. So I'll paste this. And then when you click on apply, it is going to completely show up. Now mind you, my computer is completely offline. As you can see my network icon, it is completely offline. Alright, that is the beautiful thing about this Lowerthird. It works completely offline. I haven't done that, you can then close this. Now this is a dockable panel, alright, meaning it can be moved from one place to another, and then you can place it wherever you want it to be. So I can decide to dock it down here. I can decide to remove it by clicking on it and then dragging it and then docking it wherever I want it to be. So you can remove it from here and then place it wherever you choose. Alright, that is your preference, but I always like it to be on the left hand side. So this is our control panel, and then this is our browser source. So we successfully installed our browser source and then our control panel in our OBS. I'll be breaking this video right here, and in my next video I'm going to be showing you how to customize this animated Lowerthird in order to have this kind of result. Alright, I don't like a video that is too long, that is why I'll have to break it right here. Alright, so maybe in 3 days time or in 4 days time, so I'll be showing you how you can customize it to suit your taste, and then the interface and everything that has to do with it. I'll be showing you how to go through it one after the other. Alright, so do well to subscribe to my TikTok community, and then do well to share this video to your colleagues, your friends, and your media team. Ask me any question, I'm willing to answer you. Thank you guys, see you in the next one.